Down at the station, early in the day, little train is ready, rolling on its way. Puff, puff goes the engine, wheels go click-ty-clack, choo, 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 off along the track.
Choo-choo, choo-choo, jungle train, rolling through the sunshine, rolling through the rain.
Wave your hands and clap along, animal friends are coming with a song. Around the bend, what do we see? A mighty lion sitting by a tree. He shakes his mane and gives a roar, roar, roar. Hello, can you roar some more? Choo-choo, choo-choo, jungle train, rolling through the sunshine, rolling through the rain. Wave your hands and clap along, animal friends are coming with a song. Through the forest, big and wide, an elephant is walking by our side. He lifts his trunk and sprays the air, brrr, toot, hello, with a trumpet flare.
High in the branches, swinging free, a little spider monkey waves from a tree.
Jump, jump, jump and swing around, ek, ek is the happy sound. Choo-choo, choo-choo, jungle train, rolling through the sunshine, rolling through the rain. Wave your hands and clap along, animal friends are coming with a song. Look up high, what can we see? A tall giraffe beside a tree. Long, long neck and legs so tall, she munches leaves above us all. Striped little zebra trots our way, black and white stripes shining in the day. Clip, clop, hear those feet. Zebra joins our train, what a treat. Choo-choo, choo-choo, jungle train, rolling through the sunshine, rolling through the rain. Lions, elephants, monkeys too, giraffes and zebras say hello to you. Lion roars, roar, roar, roar. Elephant trumpets, toot some more. A playful chimpanzee swings with eek, 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 and a tall reticulated giraffe says hello with a friendly peek. A plain zebra trots with clip-clop feet. All the different jungle animals make a beat. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Jungle train has quite a treat. Through the forest, green and bright, butterflies are dancing in the light. Birds are singing in the trees. Leaves are swaying in the breeze. Puff, 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 puff up the hill. Choo-choo, choo-choo, rolling still. Around the bend and through the trees, our animal friends come as they please. Choo-choo, choo-choo, jungle train, rolling through the sunshine, rolling through the rain. Wave your hands and clap along, animal friends are coming with a song. Down by the station, early in the morning, see the little jungle train puffing in a coming. 3 monkeys swing from tree to tree. 4 giraffes are waving happily. 5 zebras trot in a line. Black and white stripes look so fine. Let's count them all and sing hooray! Our jungle train is on its way. Now the sun is going down, little train is leaving jungle town. A group of diverse jungle animals like a tiger, a rhinoceros, a toucan, and a hippo. An adult male African lion roars, "Come back soon!" A playful chimpanzee dances beneath the moon. Elephant waves with a trunk so true. Giraffe and zebra say toot toot to you. Choo 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 jungle train, what an adventure once again. Lions, elephants, monkeys too. Giraffes and zebras waved hello to you. Choo 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 down the track, happy animal friends wave back. Clap your hands and shout, hooray! Little jungle train goes home today.